Okay guys, so we're about 2 days out from surgery. You're at home, you've been at home about a day or so, but it's ready to get time to get out of everything and get a shower. But I want you to remember, we still need you to stay hunched over, kind of walking like a little old lady. But we want to make sure that when you're hunching more at the shoulders versus hunching at the lower back. That's going to give you a lot of lower back discomfort. So just kind of hunch over at the shoulders. When you're getting out of everything, you want to make sure, go ahead and take your gown or robe or whatever you're in off, and you'll see you have all your surgery garments on. You do not want to undo this white abdominal binder while you're standing up. It's real tight with compression. If you release that while you're standing, it's going to make you lightheaded. So just kind of sit down on the edge of something real easily. Okay, and then have your caretaker help you take everything off. But for example purposes, I'm going to be standing just to kind of show you everything. All right, so once you get to this point, you want to unhook your drains, okay? And you will hold on to these. You want to make sure that they do not fall, because that's going to put a lot of tension on your drains, on where they're coming out of your drain sites. Okay? So you hold these, you'll be sitting down this time so you can just set them in your lap. And you're going to gently just undo this abdominal binder. When you get this undone, you're going to notice that you have this Kerlix roll here. You can just take this off because it's going to be yucky with some drainage, and you can just get rid of that and throw it away. Okay? So we'll get rid of that. And then you'll just gently take this binder off and all the foam that's underneath of it. Now, it should not be too adhered to the skin, because the day before we've just unstuck all that from you.